Yeah, we are starting with the topic that is the atmospheric pollution, right? So first of all, you should know that what is atmospheric pollution, right? So it is actually you can say the contamination of air with undesirable and harmful substances. That what is that now? As you can see the air around, right? It is not a clean air. You know that it contains certain the dust. It contains certain pollen grains. It has lot of things which should not be present in the air because it is just contaminating the air, and those are not the desirable substances, and in fact they are harmful to us. So that is the atmospheric pollution, right? So I repeat the definition for you. Write down in your copies. Atmospheric pollution is the contamination of air with harmful and undesirable substances, right? So that is just you can say these undesirable substances which are present and which are harmful to us are called as pollutants. So there are many pollutants which are found in the atmosphere, right, that are polluting the air. That means they are undesired and in one or any way they are harmful to us, right? So that is atmospheric pollution. There are three main causes which are just leading to the atmospheric pollution, and the three main, you can say, the phenomena, these are the important phenomena which are just causing the adverse effect on the atmosphere, and those three phenomena are acid rain. You must have listened this word before as well, right? It is acid rain, it is global warming, it is ozone depletion. See, there are many causes which are just you can say causing atmospheric pollution, but out of them these three are so important, or you can say these three phenomena are so dangerous. They are just affecting the atmosphere in a great manner. That means they have so much adverse effect on the atmosphere, right? So we'll be taking up these topics individually so that you should know what actually they are causing and what we can, how we can help to just reduce this effect and can just make the air pure around us, right? So we are just taking into the consideration the first topic, that is the acid rain, right? So you should know what is acid rain actually. As you are all familiar with the rain, you know that you can say by the cause of water cycle rain is caused. You know that how clouds are formed, how this thing they get condensed, and how the rain comes on the earth, right? So that means the rain which should come on the earth, it should contain you can say should contain the pure water, right? But actually it doesn't contain the pure water because the pH of the rain water is not 7. It lies between 5 to 3.5. That means it is somehow acidic. So that means the water which we are getting from the rain is not pure, and due to the pollutants present in the air, they are just reducing the pH. That means they are just making the water acidic in nature, right? So you can say acid rain is a phenomena which includes all those various ways by which acid is formed in atmosphere, it gets condensed and fall on earth, right? So I can say acid